What foods are good for my immune system? Introduction. Protein and your immune system. Much research has shown that protein malnutrition can have a variety of untoward effects on the immune system. In fact, protein malnutrition may be an important contributing factor in HIV seroconversion, the process by which a person with primary exposure to human immunodeficiency virus becomes infected with that virus. Research studies have shown that deficiency of high-quality protein can result in depletion of immune cells, inability of the body to make antibodies, and other immune-related problems. In addition, animal studies have shown that the immune system can be significantly compromised with even a 25% reduction in adequate protein intake. Protein is composed of the 20 amino acids your body needs for growth and repair, and some of these amino acids appear to be particularly important for immune functioning. For example, the amino acids called glutamine and arginine are being considered as nutrition therapy in pre-surgery patients because of their ability to stimulate the immune system. Interestingly, it is not just deficiency of these amino acids that can compromise the immune system. An imbalance in the ratios among amino acids can also affect the immune response. The foods you eat can provide support for this barrier or cause damage to it. For instance, alcohol consumption is known to irritate the gastric, stomach, mucosal barrier. Some drugs, for example, the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin and ibuprofen, also can harm this barrier. Many nutrients in the world's healthiest foods help to support a healthy barrier. Foods that are high in phosphatidylcholine or its precursor, choline, are particularly beneficial in supporting a healthy gastrointestinal barrier since phosphatidylcholine is one of the components of the protective mucosa that lines your intestinal tract and provides the first barrier defense. Studies have shown that diets low in choline result in low levels of phosphatidylcholine. That the proteins they create are responsible for almost all the reactions that take place inside a living cell? That, unlike fat and carbs, amino acids cannot be stored by the body? That if you are missing even one of the essential amino acids in your diet, your body will break down muscle or other protein stores to make it. Abstract. The normal immune system has local and systemic components which are influenced by a variety of alterations. Impaired host immunity is associated with neoplasia, protein-calorie malnutrition, and the administration of immunosuppressive drugs. It is well accepted that protein-calorie malnutrition impairs host immunity with particular detrimental effects on the T-cell system, resulting in increased opportunistic infection and increased morbidity and mortality in hospitalized patients. Individual nutrient substrates may also have a major influence on the immune system. Individual amino acids are often described as essential, based on requirements for optimal growth and maintenance of positive end balance. Arginine has been demonstrated to be essential to the traumatized host and may have tissue-specific properties which influence components of the immune system. Thus, arginine may be of value in clinical situations where the immune system is compromised. In a series of experiments in normal animals, arginine was demonstrated to enhance cellular immune mechanisms, in particular T-cell function. It also has a marked immunopreserving effect in the face of immunosuppression induced by protein malnutrition and increases in tumor burden. In postoperative surgical patients, arginine supplementation results in enhanced T-lymphocyte response and augmented T helper cell numbers, with a rapid return to normal of T-cell function postoperatively compared with control patients. These data suggest that arginine supplementation may enhance or preserve immune function in high-risk surgical patients and theoretically improve the host's capacity to resist infection. PMID 210-5184